Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Roxanne, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I transformed these two store-bought canvases and gave them a new look. I purchased these two canvases at Ross for $9.99 about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years, and I decided to repurpose them or redo them because I really like this gold trim around the frame and I wanted to do something different to it. Like I said, it wasn't really going with the vibe or the aesthetic of my home, so I wanted to do something different. I used some of this leftover spackle that I had from a previous project. I purchased this at Walmart for about $6 and a plastic palette from I believe the Dollar Tree. So make sure that when you start you have enough spackle to spread throughout your canvas and can cover whatever it is that you're covering underneath, because that's really important that you have enough spackle. If not, you will be able to see it even if you paint it. So I just went ahead and did that throughout both canvases, and make sure you also put it out to dry for a few hours before you start using applying your paint. The paint here I use is the Apple Barrel soft white, and I purchased this at Walmart, and these two palettes that you see here, I purchased them at the Dollar Tree, the paint palette and the brush. So yeah, just make sure that you guys go ahead and apply it lightly, because those extra pieces of spackle, even though they're dry, they tend to fall off and you can lose some of that texture. So just make sure you guys lightly coat it in between each spackle, and I think I probably did 3 to 4 coats before I was satisfied with the final look. So just make sure you guys completely cover it. You could always add some more to it later. It just depends on what you guys are going for and what look you guys want to execute. But I just wanted it to be all white with a natural organic look. This is the final look. I put these on top of my entry table. I'm really excited with the way they turned out, and I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.